Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will see how to make a quick and simple potato masala that pairs perfectly with chapati, roti, poori, dosa and idli. Now, let's get started with the ingredients. I have taken 4 medium-sized potatoes, pressure cook them for 4 whistles, peel and cut into small pieces. 2 medium sliced onions, 1 roughly chopped tomato, it's optional, few coriander leaves, half-inch ginger chop, few curry leaves, 4 green chillies as per your spice level and 2 red chillies, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon chilli powder, mustard seeds for tempering and 1 teaspoon of urad dal and 1 tablespoon of chana dal and hing. Oil and salt as required. Now let's get into the process. Let's heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once the oil is heated, add mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal 1 tablespoon, few red chillies and green chillies as per your spice level and curry leaves. Let's saute them for a while. Now let's add sliced onions and chopped ginger. Saute the onions until it turns soft. You can also add salt to cook the onions little fast. Just be careful not to over fry the onions. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of chilli powder. Saute them slightly. Let's add hing and saute them. Pour some water and add some salt to taste. Now let's cover with the lid and let us boil the mixture for some time. Once the mixture has boiled well, it's time to add the boiled potatoes. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring the potatoes are coated well with the aromatic spices. Adjust the consistency by adding water as needed. Let the mixture come to a boil and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing it to thicken to your desired consistency. Taste for salt and adjust if necessary. If you like, you can add chopped tomatoes at this stage for a tangy twist. Finally, let's add some fresh coriander leaves and curry leaves. And there we have it, our flavorful and comforting potato masala is ready to be served. Do give it a try and let me know in the comments below. Thank you. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such easy and delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!